Hey honeys, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where we have a honey sponsor. I know that's right. Today's video is in partnership with Caboodles. Now, ask your mom if she knows about Caboodles because I asked my mom if she knew about Caboodles and I swear it just brought back a nostalgic memory to her. And I'm sure you've seen them in Target. I know I've seen them in Target. So I'm super excited for this campaign. The theme is Forever Fun. And if you guys know me, you already know I love color. Like, color just embodies who I am as a creator. I love color in all aspects. If I'm not wearing color on my body somewhere, some way, something's wrong with me. Please come check on me because I am not doing well. If you're not familiar with what a caboodle is and you think you have never come across one, well, baby, let me go ahead and introduce you to our colorful, organized friend. So the Caboodle brand has always had an inspiration or solution to share with the girls, honey. She's very cheeky and relatable. She is a huge helping hand of fun, especially the one I have. I have the ultimate on-the-go girl. She's an expert without being a know-it-all. She's very feminine without being, you know, too cutesy. And she just makes life more organized, more purposeful, and more joyful. I mean, very fitting, right? Don't I make your life, you know, a little bit better? So I love to travel with my makeup to the beach, to the lake. Y'all know I like to do my makeup outside. If you follow me on Instagram or you've tuned into my beauty routine on the beach, I love to do my makeup outside. It's just so relaxing, therapeutic, tranquil. And this is the perfect storage case to like bring your makeup to a destination. The beach, for instance. Okay, everything fits in there. So I have the ultimate on-the-go girl caboodle. They have the on-the-go girl, which is slightly smaller, so I have the more elevated version. Now let me tell you something about the elevated version, okay? So the classic on-the-go girl caboodle has an auto-open tray storage with a flip lid. However, the ultimate one has two tiers, okay? Listen, I have a lot of makeup. I like to carry a lot of products with me because you never know what you gonna need. So I need my makeup carry-on case to carry every single thing I need. And my ultimate on-the-go girl caboodle, baby, she got me. I know that's right. The ultimate on-the-go girl caboodle has an even more spacious interior storage to fit every single thing you could possibly need in it. And it boasts 3 trays, one of them being removable. So if you don't really need the whole entire size of the caboodle, you can just take that tray out. Plus it has a mirror in it, girl. I know that's right. Has a mirror in it, so you could just use that if you only need to carry a few items and you don't want to carry the entire whole caboodle. Listen, that tray can fit in your car in the glove compartment. Yes, it can. But what I like about the ultimate on-the-go girl caboodle is that it has 2 mirrors. One of them regular standard, but one of them is magnified. Listen, I need a magnified mirror when I go put on my lashes, okay? Because sometimes when I'm at the beach or the lake and doing my makeup and it's super windy, girl, I need to get up close in that mirror to make sure I place my lash where it needs to be. I've done my makeup in the wind. It is not easy. So the ultimate on-the-go girl caboodle is supersized for maximum storage, but if you don't need that much storage, you can just go for the regular on-the-go girl caboodle. And they also make smaller versions. They're so cute, so colorful, very practical, sturdy, and just a more fashionably functional way to travel with your makeup. And if you're like me and you absolutely love colorful things, I just love colorful things. It just stimulates me. I love colorful head wraps, colorful makeup. I love color. I could not imagine my life without color. So a caboodle just makes me going to the lake, going to the beach, going on vacation, going to a hotel just for a weekend. It just makes the travel experience and the packing experience even more fun. And then when I go to open it up and see all my makeup in it, I just get excited to do my makeup. So the theme Forever Fun in partnership with Caboodle just embodies me as a creator. So check the top link down below in my description box if you are interested in checking out a caboodle. This will be perfect for your travel makeup storage. I promise you, it's just so cute, so functional, so fashionable, okay? And let's have some fun creating this black girl summer beauty routine that is perfect for the heat, okay? I use a new product. No, she's not a powder, and our makeup is gonna last all day long, okay? So without further congé, stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Now let's get into into my super fun and fresh summer beauty routine that lasts all day and is very comfortable on the skin. So first we're going to go ahead and prime our skin with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer. I always come back to it because of its gripping power. I like to prep my skin even further with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Refresh and Set Setting Spray. I've changed up my entire way of even doing my makeup, so I apply concealer on bare skin. I never used to do that in the past, so I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm using the shade 375 Latte, and I'm applying it in the inner and outer corners of my eyes, my chin, my nose, as well as my forehead. I now intentionally place product on my face. I don't just place something all over my face and continue to layer on products. I just feel that placing foundation all over my face has now been a bit unnecessary, and you end up using less product and your skin is just even more breathable when doing this. So now I'm going to take another concealer. This one is the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy. This one is a little bit more peachy, but I love the way it mixes in with the shade Latte from the L'Oreal concealer. So I place that right in the middle and just slightly on top on my chin and forehead, and I just love the color that it creates when it blends all out. Now this is the product that you guys need for the summer, the Nye Final Seal. So I spray this in between each time I'm applying cream products, so it enables it to really stick, last, and your makeup will be transfer proof when you use that spray. Layering powders, girl, it just leaves me looking a hot mess. So you're gonna find in this video that I used a lot of setting mists and sprays to really enable my makeup to stick to my face, because we're still in the time where we have to wear masks, so you do want your makeup to last and be transfer proof. So the sprays that I use really help with that. So now just watch me take the time to blend out this concealer with a very dense face brush. Moving on to cream bronze tour, I've been going back to the Fenty Beauty Freestyle Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer. I use the shade Teddy, and I'm using this Huda Beauty brush. So like I said, I intentionally place products onto my face now. This enables me to use less product, and the only product that is on my face, or like in a specific area of my face, is the only product that's there. There's no layering, there's no doubling up layers of foundation, concealer, bronze tour. Each product is in its specific place, okay? Which just enables maximum breathability and a skin-like finish. And I go ahead and softly sculpt out my nose with that same cream bronzer. And yes, we still use foundation, we just only put it in one place. So now I love to use the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. I'm in the shade 400G Macchiato, and I just place it right under my bronze tour to sculpt it out even further, and just to finish off the complexion of my face. And then I just put a little bit on my forehead just to marry that concealer and like a little bit of bronzer that got up there together. And that is the only place I place foundation nowadays. So I put concealer in its place, bronzer in its place, and foundation in its place. And then I just go ahead and blend that out and marry everything together. So I marry the bronze tour into the foundation, and then the concealer on my chin, I blend that into my cheek, so everything looks seamless, so you can't tell where one starts and one stops. I try my best to soften up the lines and just make everything flow together. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. I'm using the shade Banana Bread for the places in which I brightened, my eyes, chin, nose, forehead. And then I go in with the shade Kunafa, which is a little bit more yellow, and I use that to set the rest of my face. I don't do any baking because in the summer heat, that just makes me look very cakey as my sweat kind of pulls through my pores. It's going to do it anyways, no matter what I do. Girl, I sweat. I have oily skin, so caking on powder does nothing for me, so I avoid baking. That's why I use so many setting sprays and mists in my routine. So I just make sure I really melt that powder into my skin and ensure that and my concealer lock each other in very well. After I'm done setting my face, I go in with one more spray, y'all. This is the Benefit Porefessional Super Setter, just to marry everything together beautifully. And now I'm just going to touch up my bronze tour just a tad with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark Tan. This is really close to my skin tone, so it's not going to darken me up too much. Just give a nice, soft, bronzy glow to my face. Our eye look is so simple yet so fun today, so I'm just going to take a little bit of MAC's Oh Darling and highlight my brow bone. And then we're going to create a hot pink graphic liner look. So I'm using Profusion Cosmetics Electric Bold Liner. These are probably the best affordable drugstore liners on the market because they don't crack. They have more of a latexy formula, which means the formula kind of stretches. It doesn't crumble or crack at all, it just stretches. You'll notice it when you go to take it off, like when you go to remove your makeup, which I love because you can just continue to layer this on to make it even more opaque and it will not crack. And when it gets in your lashes, all you have to do is let it dry and just gently flick it out with your fingertips, and girl, it comes right on out. We're going to go ahead and pop on some lashes to finish off the eyes. And now to finish off the face, I'm going to take this CoverGirl cheek palette, taking the more plummy shade. This is very pigmented, so I only take a little bit and just apply that to my cheeks. I skip out on highlighting my cheekbones with this blush because it's so shimmery and it just hits the light so beautifully. And it enables me to use one less product on my face. And then I just go ahead and apply that MAC Oh Darling on my nose, the tip of my nose, as well as the upper bridge of my nose. And our last product to complete this makeup look is this Gucci Beauty lipstick. It's so beautiful. It's like a hot fuchsia pink and it has sparkles in it and it still maintains its opacity. It has a very comfortable formula and I thought it was the perfect touch to finish off this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Black Girl Summer Beauty routine. Be sure to check out Caboodles in the top link in the description box down below. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.